Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Mr. Shedrach, and in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you're going to be making 30% affiliate commission for performing a simple task on InstantMobileNG Nigeria. This task is something that every resellers, portal owners, investors, business partners are entitled to, but some people don't understand that they are entitled to such kind of privilege. So you are going to be making 30% commissions, affiliate referral commission each time you perform the simple task. Commissions are graded based on the nature of the product and services your client choose to buy in the platform. Before I continue, this is Legit Cash Business TV. What I do here basically is I teach you how to make money via cryptocurrency trading, VTU business solutions, mobile app development. I also do cover online business and teach you how to scale up and grow internet business in Nigeria and even beyond. I want you to do one thing for me, which is to stick with us on the channel by way of subscribing to the channel, because we do post video almost every day on the channel, covering ranges, topics like make money online, cryptocurrency trading, VTU, technology, mobile app development, and general businesses. So subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever we make an update, you'll be notified on your email. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by to check on our updates. As I was saying, in the actual sense, for you to make money on InstantMobile Nigeria on the affiliate program that pays you 30%, the only one-time commitment that you are required to do is to own a VTU website. That is just the first ever condition. Right now, at the moment of recording this video, we don't actually have an affiliate system developed yet, though that is on the process. When it is ready, we'll be able to announce it on the channel and also on the WhatsApp group. So I may leave a link to the WhatsApp group to join so that you get updated anytime such informations are passed. And of course, subscribe to the channel, because once such informations are passed, you'll be notified on the channel. Now, when that is done, we'll be able to either entertain free users, free marketers or networkers that can further promote the platform who do not have a VTU website. But for now, for you to get the 30% commission, you need to have a VTU website. And each of these packages give you that entitlement. So it's not like you must have a particular package to enjoy such benefits. Okay, so you are giving a whopping 30% discount for getting a client, either using your website or maybe physical interactions that buys from your website. It doesn't set up solutions from your website. Let me explain using the starter reseller, or maybe let me use the hot reseller to explain. For instance, so hot reseller at the moment of recording this video is 72,000. So for instance, if you pay for the starter reseller package, and then that's 31,200 at the moment of recording this video, and you get a client who want to have a hot reseller with you, what you need to do is to divide that 72,000 divided by 100 times it by 30. So you are making 21,600 per sale on hot reseller. Okay. Now, if it is the 31, what's it called, starter reseller, that you get a client who order for it, you divide 31,200 times by 30%, we are making 9,360 naira per VTU website set up on that starter reseller. If it is the hot reseller, we are making 21,600. Then if it is the business telecom, which is at the moment of recording this video is 320,000. If you divide it by 100 times it by 30, you are making 96,000 naira per sale. If it is the advanced telecom, which is 5.2 million now, it means you divide this 5.2 million, you divide it by okay, I'm coming. Okay, that's okay, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, divide it by 100 times it by 30, you are making 1.5 million, almost 1.6 million on the last package. That is on the VTU reseller system. But if you now go down to the VTU portal creator, the commissions level also varies, changes. But our team is working on making the affiliate system to be on InstantMobile, so that marketers can come in. But right now, it's only portal owners that enjoy this benefit. So if you have a portal with us and you get someone that needed a website like that, all you have to do is to let our team know on WhatsApp. They will close the deal and then demand for your 30%. As a matter of fact, what we do practically before now is very simple. When you get somebody that wants like a website in maybe like in hot reseller, you already have a website and then you have somebody that wants a website like that, you will subtract your own affiliate commission even before the website is developed, even before you send us the money from your website. Subtract your own affiliate commission and send the rest to us. So these are what you give as a privilege. So we don't owe you, you don't owe us. So it's not like maybe affiliate program where you keep referring people or maybe you keep selling products, your money will be on a wallet. No, the money is with you. So this is how we do the affiliate system. And as I said earlier, we are even other packages, please, both the master reseller, both the SIM hosting packages are also entitled to this benefit. So it's for you to get started on a VTU website with us, either on a high or low budget, and get entitlement of this wonderful commission we are giving, 30% off. Okay. Imagine you get like 3 or 4 sets in a month, you'll be making a lot of money. Okay, even if it is on the starter reseller, you are getting like if it is 5 sets in a month, that's 46,800. Then if you make like 10 sets, is 93,600. So it's a very wonderful opportunity for you to take advantage of that and then make some money for yourself. You can use this opportunity to generate money on demand to either increase the capital for your own VTU website, or even use it as a means of making money in the business. So this is also applicable to also the SIM hosting packages, which is here. So that's how the affiliate system works for now. When we officially launch the affiliate system where everybody can sign up, we can also create for people that don't own a website to come and market the product, but it's not going to be free. Okay, it's not going to be free to join, but it's not going to be that big money. Okay, we are still considering so many things before we launch the affiliate system properly. But right now, it is for portal owners, people that owns a VTU website with us. So get started right away and then start making some money if you already own a website with us. But if you have not, this is a time you pick a package from the pricing sections, pick any package of your choice and get started to make these commissions come true. As a matter of fact, most of these packages like hot resellers, business telecom, advanced telecom, we do build safe funnel around it. So you don't have anything to worry about how to get your client, because each of those packages comes with a kind of a reseller script. Okay, so you don't need to crack your brain on how to get clients. Everything is come bundled with their website. So I remain your host, Mr. Shedrach. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, share, and comment on this video what you feel like we need to do to improve our services on Instant Mobile. Until then, I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks and God bless.